welcome back. Today we are playing Animal Crossing. Whoops.
Are you okay? Baby died?
Okay. So we are back. And yes, I have done the wedding day, or the wedding season thing. And I've got the wedding wand. This was so easy to make. The first wand I can actually easily make. It took me a while, but I've been waiting for this event to happen since I believe Monday, or no, not Monday. Monday is the day that it happened. Tuesday. No, not Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Sunday is what I meant to say. I've been waiting since Sunday to do this. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. I went to go get the microphone, headphones, so you can hear me clearly. So if I step away, I'm easily heard. Okay, so, alright. Like I was saying, I did do the wedding day event to get the wand. The bamboo wand, too hard to get. I already ran out of time to get the young spring bamboo. Where's the microphone? Did the microphone go in? No, okay. I'm checking the microphone. I think I need to... I'm gonna be hearing exactly nothing, but I only needed one headphone, so I need one. Sorry for that rude ending. I was fixing the microphone, and the video I was listening to came on while I was trying to fix the microphone. So we're just gonna leave the microphone as it is. You still probably can hear me very clearly. I need to do this because in these videos, or I record and sometimes I step far away from the camera, so you can't hear me as well. So I figured it out and went to go put the microphone on. Okay, like I was saying, the bamboo wand was too hard to get. I already ran out of time to get the spring bamboo. I know I can time travel back, but I don't want to do that. But then, the star wand was too hard because I had to get a large star fragment, which isn't very common. But luckily, from the wishes I made earlier, I had the 3 normal star fragments. And I time traveled today to get this wand, and it was craftable because I already had the star fragments, I already had the flower stand thing, so I was able to make it. And in memory, until next month comes around, in memory of this event, I put out all the wedding stuff that I got from here over here, and I don't know what is going on over here. I do know you can get infinite bamboo, so once you find one bamboo shoots will grow. Bamboo shoots will grow around the bamboo trees. And again, I'm trying to keep this 14 minutes or under 14 minutes, because 15 is too long. Or actually, no, 15, because I added these on iMovie. 15 minutes is too long. Or 16 minutes is past the time I can upload. So I had to keep this at 14 because 15 is the exact number. And for some reason, I can't have 15 minutes, so I have to have 14-minute videos. So I'm adding 3 clips now. That's why I'm mentioning this, because I have 3 clips to add, because when I was fixing my microphone, the video came up. So then, you know, so obviously I just had to. And hello, Vivian. Do you know what kind of movie? Okay, I don't. Have no clue who Bethany is. I'm just kidding. I don't know what my villagers are talking about. I don't know this random other person living on my island. I totally don't know this random person. I'm the worst at lying. Alright, so like I was saying, I have 3 clips to put in. The intro, the first clip of this video, which was supposed to be technically 2 clips to add into iMovie. So this clip, and then the next clip I have to add, and then the intro I have to add. So yeah. Also, lovely butter slime I made today. Microphone, stop. Microphone won't stop. It's going somewhere. Okay. This microphone is being weird. Don't know what else. Okay. Microphone is being weird. Again. Alright. I am growing some bamboo around here. I've already got some bamboo trees. Also, I changed the fence from stone because it kind of looked like a prison if I kept it. Let's see what you have to offer. Da, 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 da. Tell me if you recognize that tune. I bet you do if you played Splatoon too. Alright. This is basically kind of like a island tour, basically. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode of Animal Crossing. Goodbye!